Here's an easy way to make $100 to $250 per day as a beginner. Step 1. Head over to Animaker, a powerful AI-powered platform that lets anyone from beginners to professionals create high-quality animated and live-action videos. It's perfect for everyone, whether you're just starting out or part of a Fortune 500 company. Choose one of their ready-made video templates and start creating your video. Step 2. Once your video is ready, go to SEOClerks. Tap the menu in the top left corner, select Sell a Service, and create a profile to start selling your videos. Bonus tip: to maximize your earnings, consider setting up profiles on Upwork and Fiverr to reach more clients and increase your revenue. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you're set to start earning with video creation. By using Animaker and selling on multiple platforms, you'll be well on your way to making $100 to $250 a day or even more.